Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a new YouTuber. My name is Musa, and my YouTube channel name you can see from my account. My YouTube channel name is Musa Legend Gaming. I'm basically a new YouTuber. Sorry for the bad recording, and I don't know how to edit videos. And don't worry, after I become a good and pro YouTuber, everything is fine. So, and as you can see in my glass, there's a game on my PlayStation. I'm a PlayStation player. Uh, my computer right beside me, but I cannot show you. It's dirty. I will clean it, and my computer is broken. It's not working, and inshallah it will work. I'm Muslim, and I'm basically Bangladesh, but I'm speaking in English because I'm on a lot of people in different countries who know English to be my subscribers, fans. Yeah, but uh, today I'm playing FarCry 5. It's a first-person game. If you know, you know. This game is really good. It just launched in 2018. It's 2026. I like this game because the driving skills are so good. So I'm recording on my phone, and sorry for my bad voice. I stutter, but don't worry, everything will be fine. Alright, before I play my game and the game I'm going to play. Sorry, uh, sorry for the bad voice. Guys, today I'm riding every fighter jets and landing them, and if the comment is good enough, if you can comment, then you will tell which one is the best fighter jet for you, and I will tell my favorite fighter jet. The fighter jet skills are so good, and I'm talking too much like a dumb YouTuber. Okay, so look at the driving skills, so nice, right? And so where's the airport? Uh, it's the airport. Wait, let me check on the map. Alright, so this is basically the airport owner's house. The airport is right here. The airport owner is. You wanna see the airport owner? This is the airport owner. His name is Nick Gray, the king of skies, as you can see. The pilot. So he rides a plane. This is his airport. There's not only one airport. There's another airport. You are going to every airport. There's another airport, and there's helipads too. So there's a game named FarCry 6. I'm going to buy that too. This is another airport. Yeah, I really like this game. As a kid, I always play this game. I don't do lots of mission. This is the character. This is every reason. When you start the game, you're gonna start from here, and you gotta kill the villains. This is the villain right here. Sorry, can I see it? Right here. And this is his family, brother and sister. So I killed them all basically. Now oh, what the? Yeah, this is a game. There's lots of, you gotta kill a lot of people, not innocent people. Wait, let me sell some stuff. 100, 200. Alright, this is all the fighter jet. This is the fighter jet. The people that I show, Nick Ray. This is his fighter jet. This is the fighter jet that I unlocked. Yeah, pretty kind of scratch up. This is the fighter jet that I liked a lot. But After I kill John Seed, you wonder who is John Seed? This is John Seed. Here, John's vision. Here's written John's vision. And after I killed him, this fighter jet is now mine. And the pack hunter, I found this fighter jet after doing a mission. Starting with this fighter jet. Don't worry, this fighter jet is here because it's always stay at the same spot. And in this game, you can get different people to help you with hard things like fighting with people if you have guns, and if you die, they can revive you if they were close. If they were far, they will come to you and revive you. Alright, so we are not going. Which airport should I land? Yeah, I like all of them. So I'm not going to land around now. I mean, look at this thing, man. If you hear some stuff, don't worry. My mom is watching. My mom is watching the TV. So don't worry about that. Okay, there's the airport. I love flying planes. So this is my first video. I'm a bad YouTuber. Sorry for the bad recording and everything. I will get used to the recording. So time to land. Runway 21. Landing. And why you're wondering why I'm covering my face. I saw some YouTuber their face reveal, and I've been thinking about what should I do that? So I decided to do that. So one day I will face reveal. This is the plane. Pretty cool, huh? Look at this mount. Look at these eyes. Time for another plane. There's some plane that I didn't unlock and I didn't buy it. And I didn't buy this plane because this is very rusty. And they're basically the same planes. This and this. And oh wait, where did that go? And this. So should I ride it? Alright, I'll ride it for you guys. Just make sure you like and subscribe. If there's no door, the character that you're using will alright, whatever. There's no door, the character will not like other mobile games. If the door flew off, the character is holding an invisible door. But in this game, the character don't hold the invisible door. Sorry if my voice is really bad and I'm stuttering. I'm kind of nervous because this is my first video. I will get used to it, and let's see how many views that video will get. After my computer will get fixed, I will play Stealer Brain Rot. Roblox and other games, Stealer Brain Rot, Escape Tsunami for Brain Rots. And if the comment work, you will tell me what game should I play next. If I have this game, I play Last of Us and I play Watch Dogs 2. I play NFS Hit. Okay, park this plane right here. Yeah, the landings are really fun. Oh! Ha! Perfect parking, right? Yeah. It's not perfect. Bro's doing a handstand. You rather should explode, buddy. How how can I explode this, huh? Wait, let me explode this first. Edit explode. Ready? 3, 2, 1. But the other plane didn't explode. I don't know. Alright, so I'm playing on my TV and you cannot see the full screen from my phone. Yeah. Because my phone is small, it's a Samsung M21 and this is my second plane that I unlocked. The America looking plane was I did a challenge and the plane is mine. This plane sucks. There's no guns. But when I first bought this plane, I was really happy. It feels like you're riding a real fighter jet. I really like fighter jets, but when I was a kid, I was really scared of the sound of fighter jets. I don't know why. They just freaks me out, man. Should I? Wait. Let's call Nick Ray. He always rides his plane. Where is he? There is it. If you play this game on your computer or mobile, you know. Oh, this is a nice game. There's Nick Ray. This is fighter jet. Just when flies past me. Past me, I mean. Sorry. This was the game. The sound came for the game. And there's a nice details on this game. There's snakes, rats, and bisons. Bison is an animal name. And they are pretty strong. Not dinosaurs. This is 2018, man. And if you think I'm boring, I'm sorry. I know I'm boring, but still, come on. There's lots of YouTubers out there. Wants lots of subscribers like Mr. Beats, Fulton, my favorite. And come on, help them. It's grateful, man. And this is a dog fighter. The dog fighter. Hey, you want me to kill Nick Ray? Let's do it. Where's my team, man? Why everything is so black? Cause I'm wearing a sunglasses. You see that blue mark? There's my team, but I don't see him. There is he. Why is his plane so small? Nick Ray is there. Nick Ray, goodbye, brother. Time to land. Oh my gosh, it's February and it's really hot today, man. I'm sweating. Bro, just a plane just make a world record of the most longest handstand. Yeah. So, time for the next plane. When I buy this plane, I will make a content with you guys, cause this is my favorite fighter jet, and this is the plane that I got by killing John Seed, one of the villain of this game, and I 100% am sure I complete this game. Not 100%, like 95 like that. Cause there's few missions left, but I couldn't complete those missions. Not because I'm a noob. Maybe it's because I'm a noob. I don't know. Should I land this plane on another airport? Yeah, let's do it. There's the airport, runway, trendy. And why the airports are like this? There's no control room. I don't know why the city is destroyed. As you can see, there's lots of bad guys. Don't shoot at my plane, man. Oh my goodness, I just flew in the sky. The second I landed. Why does plane always go on the sky? Like, planes always meant to be at the sky. Not always. Sometimes they land. But this plane, when I accelerate, it just flew in. Let's go. Time for the last plane. Where is it? And this plane is special because the other plane that I got belongs in this airport. I get all of the two planes from this airport, and the dogfighter was from this airport, and the black plane, I didn't read the name of it. I got it from the sky, so that belongs in every airport. But the plane that I'm using, the red one, the back hunter, I got the plane from here, so it's gonna be a far ride. And there's a problem. The runway is too short for me to land. And I will upload some more contents for you guys. So after this is really fun. far, because this is the 3 airport in this map. I don't know if any extra. So, and look at this plane. It's really cool color. I like the color of this plane. And the details, oh, amazing, amazing. And I'm just a new YouTuber. I don't know anything about YouTube. I know about YouTube, what I'm saying. Sometimes I pick some nonsense stuff. I know YouTube. I see lots of YouTuber like Fulton. If you don't know him, go to his YouTube channel and subscribe to him. He's an amazing YouTuber. From him, I got motivated. I never met him in real life, but when I watch his videos, he sometimes motivates us. And after I got his motivated, I've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel. But I'm not face revealing, and I'm not telling anyone I open a YouTube channel except for my mom and dad. Uh, And in this game, you can wingsuit. Nickname is available. Wingsuit means, wait, let me show you. Where is it? I'm gonna find it, guys. Sorry. Here is it. This is called wingsuit. Here, there's a name right here, wingsuit. So I unlock this, and this is fun. So this is airdrop. Nickname is available, and we unlock him. Come on, man. Let's go. Have some fun. Where is he? Nickname is a better pilot than me in this game. Not going to lie, man. But his plane is very slow. I just feel like I'm a real fighter jet pilot. There's an incident happened at my school. There's a plane crash happened. Lots of people know about it. This is the newest plane crash that happened in 2025, July 21. Milestone school. I study at that school. I was in that school that day, but the plane crashed in the opposite way. There was a field in the middle, and that plane go to the lowest campus. Then it was Bangla version. I was in English version. Then crashed. I was really scared, and if you know about the plane crash, make sure you search. If you don't think if you think I'm lying, so you don't believe me. If you don't believe me, then search it. It's a real plane crash. Lots of people know I'm Bangladesh. The details of this game, when you get on a car, are the character pulls some things like start the car. You can find that details, and as you can see where you can see this thing. When I get on every plane, I can see it. He grabs that thing and pulls forward and backward, and that detail is so good. And you can see the engine on. It's light, kind of green light. It's on. That means it's on. And I don't know if the landing gear lights on. It's on. It's off. I know now, but it's never on. If you hear some sound, so it's called Ajan in Bangladesh. So don't worry about it. six every 5 or 6 p.m. In the after whatever. Just don't hear it. I'm a bad YouTuber. I know. I'm not a good YouTuber yet, but one day I will be a good YouTuber. And we finally made it. This is my plane, and so this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Out.